What is up, guys? Welcome back to this review of I Love Clickfunnels. So in this review, we're going to be looking at the newly released I Love Clickfunnels by Clickfunnels and Russell Brunson. So what is Clickfunnels? So Clickfunnels is a funnel building software that helps you build landing pages, sales pages, value ladders that helps you generate more income online, sell stuff, e-commerce, sell your own products, and all that amazing stuff that you need to do to process your payments. So it includes members areas that you can create. You can also be able to create membership sites. You can be able to host your courses on there. You can be able to sell anything, whether it's for a local business or an online business, or even some of the major companies are using ClickFunnels. So I love clickfunnels.com is a newly released way of signing up for ClickFunnels for the 2 week trial. So if you feel like signing up, there's a link down in the description below for you to sign up for ClickFunnels, and you can get yourself a ClickFunnels account for free for 14 days. Thereafter, you'll be billed $97 or $297 depending on the plan that you choose. But for a start, it's free for 14 days, which is 2 weeks. So what you're gonna be getting once you get ClickFunnels, I'm sure if you're looking at this review, probably you've heard of ClickFunnels, you're interested in making money online, you've already got an online business going on, whether you're a coach, you're just a digital marketer, you're an affiliate marketer, you've got a local business such as maybe a restaurant, a cafe, a bar, a pub, or something. This would be really good for your business. You can do webinars here, you can sell anything inside ClickFunnels. Doesn't matter what it is, whether it's a digital product or it's a physical product, you can sell anything inside ClickFunnels. So there will be a link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page if you feel like signing up for ClickFunnels, and these are the bonuses, these are the amazing bonuses that you're going to be getting if you click the link down in the description of this video, guys. These are some really cool, amazing bonuses that you're gonna get. Huge bonus number one is FunnelFlix. So FunnelFlix is one of the best and biggest marketing, sales, funnel strategy, business building and personal development trainings on the planet. So it's this FunnelFlix is more like Netflix for online entrepreneurs and just digital marketers. Almost anybody that wants to run their own business, more specifically online. Even if you've got an offline business, you need an online presence, I would highly recommend you sign up for ClickFunnels and go through these amazing videos. So whether you've got a brick and mortar, as you can see, you want to sell high ticket products, you want to learn about YouTube traffic secrets, product secrets, how to launch products, how to sell products profitably, copywriting, media buying, how to 10x your income, how to sell courses. They've also got Funnel Hacking Live, which is an event that will be going on in, I think, January next year. So there'll be a live event in the US where ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson will be hosting an entrepreneur conference, which is called Funnel Hacking Live. So no matter where you're at in your business, if you want to feel confident, safe, and knowing that you've got the ultimate trainings at your fingertips, ensure with your ClickFunnels trial. So it's just a trial. You still get to have access to all these really cool, amazing videos. You're not going to be able to get anywhere else apart from inside once you sign up using the link that is inside the description, because this is specific to whoever signs up using the link that is in description that brings them to this page, and no other link is allowing you to have this unless the link that is down in the description. So product secrets privilege, you get access to the first training you get inside FunnelFlix. It's called product secrets. This will show you all about specific reason why this product is here. So bonus number 2 is Funnel Builder Secrets privilege. So the next course that you will get instant access to is Funnel Builder Secrets. This is a massive training program that they put together when they launched ClickFunnels, and in just the last few years they've sold over 10,000 copies of Funnel Builder Secrets for $1,997 each. Sorry, I may stammer from time to time, but hope you guys are following me along the way with this training. Then bonus number 3 is Ad Skills with Justin Brook, Privilege Access. So this is now the same system and training that my classic traffic team uses to drive our paid traffic at Clickfunnels. Justin has spent over $10 million in US in ads, just testing and seeing what works. So the guy really knows what it's all about. So you get 4 Tony Robbins private collection. If you know Tony Robbins, you know you're gonna be getting some really good stuff from his collection: motivation, trainings, insights, everything that you need to get on personal development, health, wealth, and having the right mindsets. So these are some of the trainings that you'll be getting from Tony Robbins. You'll be getting Tony's presentation from Funnel Hacking Live, Tony's Find Your True Grit career, then training 3, Energy for Life, training 4, Love and Passion, training 5, The Edge. So those, and as a huge bonus, you're gonna be getting 100 plus funnel templates. Yes, they'll be including 102 insane done for you, ready to go funnel, so that you can hit the ground running. You don't need to worry about building funnel and all that. You have funnels that will be able to generate stream of leads, turn your visitors into buyers, sell your book, run a webinar, launch a product, sell a high ticket product or service, and much more. So you can start your 14-day trial today for free if you click the link that is down in the description of this video. So this is all about ClickFunnels. This is all about I love ClickFunnels. So this is the value stack of all the products that you're gonna be getting inside this free 14-day trial, and you can watch. If you feel like it, you can go ahead and continue using ClickFunnels for affiliate marketing and all that other good stuff. So if you want to learn more about ClickFunnels, I'm doing a training in my group, so I'll leave a link in the description of this video to where you can join my group and learn more about ClickFunnels, how you can use ClickFunnels, and how you can make money using ClickFunnels funnel builder software. And I'll end this video right here because all I wanted to do is just make a short, concise and precise review of the iloveclickfunnels.com. Thanks very much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.